Hey, I'm JR, training manager here at Crutchfield, and this is the Morel Högtalare Bluetooth speaker. It is a simple, elegant music system that blends into your decor. Let's talk about that first. Morel designed it specifically to fit into some Ikea book shelving systems, the Kallax and the Expedit. This fits perfectly, it blends in, it almost disappears into those shelves. Of course, it still looks great just standing on its own, so you can really put it anywhere and it'll look okay. It measures 13 1/16 inches wide by 13 inches tall, so if that fits into your shelving system, even if it isn't from Ikea, it'll still look great. It comes in 4 colors. We have the white on display here. It's also available in blue, black, and red. The grill does come off. It is magnetic, and it looks good even without the grill. Inside the Morel Högtalare is a 50-watt amplifier. That 50 watts is powering 2 1-inch soft dome tweeters. They sound nice and bright and detailed and very crystal clear. There's also a 6-inch woofer and a front-firing port, which work together to give you bass all the way down to about 36 hertz. We were quite surprised by just how much bass and overall sound this thing really puts out, and it sounds great. We've been playing around with it here in the studio, and we thought it might be nice to play it live in this video. So we've set up a microphone. It's a Zoom H6. It's a stereo mic about 2 feet in front of this speaker. So hopefully you at home will be able to hear just how good this sounds like we are hearing it in the studio. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit play. Take a listen. So, sounds pretty good, right? That's actually the theme song to Crutchfield the podcast. It's a song by my band, the band Big. It's called Time and Again. You know, in case you're looking for something cool to listen to. I hear the drummer's pretty good. So, my phone was connected to the Morel Högtalare using Bluetooth. It does have Bluetooth 4.2 built in. It even has aptX, so if you happen to have an Android phone that's compatible, you can get some higher resolution Bluetooth streaming. You can have up to 5 phones paired to the Högtalare at any given time. You can play one phone at a time, but it will remember up to 5 different phones, which is handy because everyone in your house probably has a phone. There's also a 3.5 millimeter jack on the back so that you can pipe in the audio from any source that has an audio output. There's a USB plug on the back, and that is just for keeping your phone charged. It's not for playing any kind of audio. If you like the sound of one Högtalare, you'll like 2 even better. Morel has made it so that you can make a stereo pair out of 2 of these speakers. They will give you a bigger soundstage. One all by itself actually does a really nice job of giving you stereo with those 2 tweeters, but 2 sounds even better. You'll notice on the front there's some basic controls. You got a plus and minus for volume, a power button, a button to link up your Bluetooth devices, and a source selection button. And they illuminate, and they even illuminate through the magnetic grill, so you can always see and control it right there from the front. I first heard this speaker at the Consumer Electronics Show in early 2020, and I was blown away. At first, I didn't even know it was there in the room because they had it sitting in some of those Ikea shelves where it just blends in beautifully. Then they turned it on, and I was just blown away by how much sound it really made. It was absolutely incredible. I'm looking at our customer reviews, and people agree. This thing puts out more sound than you might expect, which actually shouldn't be surprising because Morel makes some of the best car speakers and amplifiers we sell. So, of course, they know how to make great sound. So, this is the Morel Högtalare Bluetooth speaker, a simple, elegant, great sounding music solution for your home. If you have any questions about this, get in touch with us here at Crutchfield. You can go to crutchfield.com/contact to chat or call live with one of our advisors. They can help you get the right speaker for your living room. You can also post your question right here on YouTube down in the comments. We do look at those and we will answer accordingly. Also, as long as you're here, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn notifications on so you'll know when we get the next video out. Thanks for watching.